Titan Battery Rack Installation Guide. Check parts. Unpack and take out the battery rack and parts. Check to see all parts are available. Pre-install the battery rack. Unlock the fixed buckle of the battery bag and take out the battery bag. As shown in the video, place the battery rack with the opening facing outward. Take out the connecting rod, use the hexagonal screws and washers to connect and pre-lock racks on both sides. Take out the right side stand and upper right stand. As shown in the video, place the side stand at first, then the upper one. Afterward, use screws and nuts to pre-lock the stands. Take out the left side stand and upper left stand. As shown in the video, place the side stand at first, then the upper one. Afterward, use screws and nuts to pre-lock the stands. Use the hexagonal tool and wrench to pre-lock the screws. Note, do not tighten at first. As shown in the video, adjust the positions of the stands. Install the battery rack. Thread the rack through the center of the tire, aligning the battery rack holes with the holes on the frame hook. Insert screws into both racks and pre-lock them. Note, do not tighten at first. Take out 2 long screws and nuts. Pre-lock the 2 upper stands of the battery rack. Adjust the position of the side stands, align it with the inner holes of the frame, and use screws to pre-lock. After all screws are pre-locked, use the hexagonal tool and wrench to tightly lock all screws on the battery bracket. Place the battery bag, fasten the buckle onto the battery rack. Install the battery to finish.